We need to talk about notes. Notes get a bad rap, but they shouldn't. Notes are a treasure. It feels great to know you can store your thoughts and reliably retrieve them whenever you want. Or when you journal something personally meaningful and it's there. But in the past decade, things changed. You started flooding your notes with stuff you didn't really need and that you quickly forgot about. A mess of meaningless web clippings cluttering up your more valuable notes. And the loudest voices in knowledge management just encouraged it. Now managing your notes feels like a chore rather than a joy, something you always seem to fall behind on, like a list of to-dos. Rather than delight in it, now you just deal with it. And yet, notes remain a wonder. Thanks to digital notes, we can time travel. We can record ideas today and communicate with our future self in a distant tomorrow. I have goosebumps. We can save ideas. We can develop those ideas over time. We can build products from those ideas. We can provide services from these ideas. We can return to cherished memories. So good news, the magic is still there. It's just hiding, buried under a mess of bad advice and bad habits. Notes deserve a little bit of a dust-off, a reset, built in a way to build value over time, built in the way our brains think by creating links between ideas. And linking your thinking does just that. It's a purposeful return to making notes, not just taking notes. It's a proper reintroduction to the potential of your digital notes. I'll go even further. It's a fight for the soul of thinking as a means of making sense of the world and making valuable contributions to it. Not as a means to squeeze out getting more things done, more mechanically. Part of the mission of linking your thinking is to light the way back to the awe and wonder of your thoughts. My hope is that the fluid frameworks in linking your thinking can help reignite the joy of thinking itself.